So आज के वीडियो में I'll talk about how can you go 10 lakhs a month scaling Nutra products in India. If you don't know what Nutra is, it's basically beauty, nutrition, health, etc. products. And I haven't found any video being made on this particular topic. So here I am talking about Nutra in India via e-commerce. Okay, so what I'm about to tell you is not going to be a strategy. It's more of a system, as you'll understand more. And everything that I'm going to talk about in this video, I've detailed it down in a doc format in my Discord. You can join it and get it for free. Also, I guarantee you that whatever I'm speaking here, it's something that I did and I still do in some extent. But I'm not going to share any of my blogs, any of my resources, etc. because I don't want competition at first, as well as you'll have to do a little bit of hustle yourself, right? I don't want my particular supplier, ad account guy, CA, etc. to directly be in contact with you. You can form some connections yourself as well as do some research and you'll be good to go. It's just that much you'll have to do. Rest I'll lay it down for you A to Z. Okay, so let's get started about what Nutra is, what's going to be the mindset that you need to have, and how the system works. First of all, you'll need approx 8 to 10 lakhs to start this, because you'll have to find the products, manufacture it, run the ads, hire people, as well as have your own warehouse. I don't advocate for drop shipping in India because the whole RTO thing is there. So when you don't ship it yourself, you don't know what is being sent, what is being packaged, how is it being packaged. You don't want any delays. So when you do it yourself, you have 100% control. So that's very important. I'll cover A to Z topics, like how are you going to pack the products, how are you going to manufacture it, how are you going to find the manufacturers, how are you going to run ads, etc., etc. So this is how the system works. I have detailed the calculations in my doc, but I'll just give a quick brief here. All you need to make 10 lakh a month, excluding tax, this is, we're going to pay the GST and this is going to be the profit that you'll have, is find one product that is generating you around 1 to 2 lakh sales, or maybe find 2 to 3 products that is generating you anywhere from 1 to 3 lakhs of sales, right? Anywhere in between. And for that, you'll need a system. So you're constantly testing products, finding new products, constantly checking the delivery, etc., etc. Let's break the maths down. One product, if you're selling it for 999 rupees, then with 50% delivery rate, we are looking for products with 50% and higher, 60-70%, but let's just take 50% because the delivery fluctuates. So we want to make sure that we do not go on loss, right? 50% delivery, it's going to be now 50%. Let's take 100 orders. If you scale to 100 orders with $1 as cost per purchase, that is 84, and your manufacturing cost is 100 rupees, right? So you're selling 999 rupees product and your packaging is, let's suppose, 10 rupees. It shouldn't exceed more than 10 rupees if you're selling a cheap Nutra product. So 999, if you're selling it for 999 and your CPP is one that is above ROAS of 10, now you don't have to scale the product to like 10,000 or 1,000 orders a day. You just have to do 100 orders from one product and stack it. You see, everything will come into conclusion at the end of the video, but abhi ke liye I'm just giving you the estimates. Ek product 999 pe, 100 products, it's going to be approx 1 lakh. Now let's take 50% as delivery, final delivery after everything, okay? उसमें तुम्हारा जो ऑर्डर शिप नहीं होते, जो कैंसिल होते, सब कुछ ही इंक्लूड कर दो, क्योंकि न्यूट्रा में डिलीवरीज आते हैं. इफ यू कॉल द कस्टमर्स, इफ यू maintain good branding over there, delivery 50 आना is very common. I mean 70-80% भी जाता है कभी कभार if you do it right, if you cancel the unwanted orders, etc., etc. ठीक है? So 100, 1 lakh, 50%, 50k. Now let's suppose one product costs you 100 rupees, which should generally cost you in Nutra maybe 120, 130. So the profit is going to be up and down. I'm taking 100 as average. You're shipping 100 products. Will not calculate कि जो product RTO आता है, we'll reuse it again. Will not calculate that. You can do it as well, but it will just make it harder for you to scale अगर तुम उसको लेके profit calculate करने लगो. So 100 rupees into 100, it's going to be 10,000. Ad cost 84 है, so it's going to be 8,400. Shipping 94 है, so it's going to be 9,400. Packaging का तुम्हारा अगर 10 रुपए लेते हो तुम, so it's going to be around 1,000. तो सब कुछ माइनस करके you'll have around how much? 30 something rupees profit, 30,000 something rupees profit. अब उसमें तुम जो 50k का GST दोगे उसको कैलकुलेट कर लो 18%, एंड जो प्रोडक्ट्स का तुम लेते हो वो क्लेम हो जाता है बाद में. सपोज 84 में तुमने अगर एड चलाया है तो 84 रुपीज इंटू 100, 8,400 के 18% जो तुम भरते हो टैक्स, वो बाद में क्लेम हो जाता है. यू नीड अ सीए लेटर ऑन, बट अभी के लिए यू डू द कैलकुलेशन योरसेल्फ. डॉक्स में मैंने प्रॉपरली समझाया है. इफ यू डोंट गेट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग जस्ट थ्रू द वीडियो, यू हैव अ डॉक फॉर दैट एज वेल. ओके, सो शिपिंग कॉस्ट में इट्स 80, आई थिंक उसमें 14 रुपीज विच इज अराउंड 18% वो जीएसटी कटता है, विच इज अगेन क्लेमेबल. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव your ad cost, product cost में 118 rupees maybe after GST, 18 rupees which is also claimable. So after everything GST जो तुम product से लेते हो 999 including GST होगा उसमें, which you're going to take the orders. So if you're selling one product you're going to separate GST separately जो तुम्हें सरकार को देना है, and जो तुम products खरीदते हो, ads खरीदते हो, shipping के लिए GST पे करते हो, वो claim करके जो देना होगा वो दे देते हो तुम, है ना. तो प्रॉफिट में ही मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यूर गिविंग योर जीएसटी, विच इज बेसिकली व्हाट हाउ जीएसटी वर्क्स, राइट. ये करके एट द एंड इन माय डॉक्स आई मेड ऑल द कैलकुलेशन. इफ यू मेंटेन योर सीपीपी टू $1, 84 रुपीज इंक्लूडिंग आई मीन उसके में जीएसटी भी ऐड करो, शिपिंग का 94 इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी, प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट 118 इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी, एंड पैकेजिंग सर्व करके, इफ दिस इज द इक्वेशन दैट is going around, then you'll make around 19 to 18,000 profit. 10% CPP delivery इधर उधर लेके चलो तो 17,000 to 21,000 in the better days, and in the worst days 17,000 rupees profit per day तुम्हें होता है एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए. And you just need to make find 2 to 3 products, which I'll talk about how you're going to find. And once you have 2 to 3 products tagged, you're going to make around 60,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees in profit every single day. And if you're going to do it for a month, then you'll make around 15 to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs इसीलिए बोला है क्योंकि not everything is certain. Everything that I'm talking about here is a probability, and I'll give you how you can make the probability come in your favor as well. I'll give you tips and strategies on that as well, but it's all probability. Business is all probability. Okay, read the docs and you'll know more about what I'm saying. As if just words get through, you'll be confused. For the docs, you can join the Discord and get more information over there. Now what I want to say is जो तुम्हारा CPP है, that can go higher sometimes, right? $1 पे इसको exactly ले आना is मुश्किल, it's very hard. So you need to know what your final ROAS is. That is 50% अगर डिलीवरी है तुम्हारी प्रोडक्ट की, तो अगर 999 का प्रोडक्ट है and 100 रुपीज तुम्हें सेल्स कॉस्ट पर परचेस आ रहा है, then your ROAS isn't 9, it's in 10, right? It's 50% of that, which is 5. अब उसमें शिपिंग, प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट वगैरह हटा दो, जो अमाउंट बचता है. For here 100 rupees for product cost, 118 shipping, सब कुछ मिला के around 230 to 40 rupees तुम्हें बचता है. So your break even ROAS is around 200 something along the line. हर एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए डिफरेंट होता है बेसिकली, है ना. I made docs regarding that as well, वो भी चेक करना. You need to know maths if you're gonna run e-commerce. You need to be really good in maths, statistics and probabilities. So once you know these numbers, what you're going to do is कुछ प्रोडक्ट में भी 1.5 आ रहा है, सो यूल नो ओके मेरा ब्रेक इवन रोएस इतना है, अभी इससे कम ही है, तो यूल नो कि अच्छा इस प्रोडक्ट से 1.5 रोएस, आई मीन 1.5 कॉस्ट पर परचेस, दैट इज इन डॉलर्स, मे बी 170 रुपीज में मुझे कितना प्रॉफिट है. 90 नहीं आ रहा, 100 नहीं आ रहा, 84 नहीं आ रहा, बट कितना आ रहा है एंड उसमें कितना प्रॉफिट है, यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट. एंड तुम्हारा गोल सपोज 10 लाख है, तो अगर इतने CPP में कितना सेल्स ला सकता हूं मैं एंड कितने प्रोडक्ट्स ऐड करने पड़ेंगे, नाउ तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि कितना तुम्हें स्केल करना है टू रीच योर गोल. यू नीड टू नो योर नंबर्स वेरी वेल, वेरी डिटेलली. टैक्स एंड उसके बाद फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट भी तुम्हारे होंगे, जो एम्प्लॉइज, VAs, कस्टमर सर्विस के लिए एटसेट्रा के लिए वो भी होंगे, तो उसको भी इंक्लूड करना. सो दिस इज ऑल इन ऑल द सिस्टम. नाउ विल गो इनटू द डेप्थ ऑफ हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट्स, कैसे वर्क करता है एंड कैसे सिस्टमाइज करना है ये. एंड आई ऑल्सो लाइक टू लिटिल बिट ऐड कि तुम्हें सिस्टम बनाना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू गेट सिक, या फिर तुम्हारा सपोज एग्जाम है, या फिर रिलेटिव आ गए, या फिर कुछ फेस्टिवल है, देन अगर तुम सारा काम कर रहे हो, देन द होल सिस्टम इज गोना स्टॉप. एक प्रोडक्ट तुम्हारे मे बी 2-3 वीक्स के लिए चलेगा, 3-4 डेज तुमने डिले कर दिए, सो द सिस्टम इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक अगर तुम ही अकेले काम कर रहे हो. बट इफ यू हैव योर एम्प्लॉइज ऑन योर सिक डेज और इन द डेज व्हेन यू आर नॉट वर्किंग, उस टाइम पे भी द सिस्टम इज गोना कीप रनिंग, सो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप. सो योर गोल achievement becomes easier when you have team and system, right? So make sure कि you hire the people that I mentioned, okay? तो उसके लिए अब तुम्हें requirements क्या क्या है? First of all, 8 to 10 lakhs का you need to have the savings. Second of all, you need to have a good strong agency account, a good CA, possibly lawyer if you're scaling higher later on, and after that you need a good manufacturer as well. You can switch manufacturers, but if you have a good agent, that is also helpful. Yes, sub, you need to find it out yourself. I can't just give you mine. मेरा ये है, use it करके, but just find it out. You'll find it out easily if you go to the forums and communities, etc., etc. Now let's talk about how the thing is going to work. ठीक है, सबसे पहले you're going to find 5 products which are under Nutra. Why Nutra? Why we don't do tech products? Because Nutra are easy to manufacture, and I'll give you a hack which will help you manufacture the products within 48 hours itself. And I'll go in detail about that as well. Okay, so Nutra is easy to manufacture. वो हो सकता है the rate of manufacturing on Nutra is 80 to 90%, almost 80 to 90% Nutra products get manufactured very easily. Okay, I'll suggest you to avoid consumption product, and especially something that you consume. I mean, you need to contact your lawyer and see if it's viable or if it's okay for you to run those products, because there are higher risks and higher regulations for products that are consumable, right? So any Nutra products that you find, you're going to get it manufactured within 48 hours, ship it, check your delivery. Nutra isliye as well because the delivery is generally higher in it. And I'll give you all the tips, strategies to save your time and make it as efficient as possible. It took me almost 3 to 4 months to get to this system. I used to do it back in those days. I don't do it exactly like this, but similar to like this. So that's why I'm sharing it anyway, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use Instagram and TikTok to find Nutra products. If you don't know how to get access to TikTok in India, you can search it online and you can find ways. But Instagram or maybe TikTok spy tool like PP ads is enough as well. So you're going to look for Nutra with good like rate and good views in the Nutra product itself. By time you'll be able to understand अच्छा ये product चल सकता है ये नहीं, as you start getting more winners, as you're stacking more winners. ठीक है? But Nutra product, like beauty product, anything that is special, a little bit has a speciality in it, like sunscreen with extra SPF, or maybe lip plumper, or maybe hair oil that grows hair super fast with some extra special ingredient. Stuffs like that work really well. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a sheet, find 5 products, test them, see if the CPP is great, good, bad. I'll talk about all of it in detail in a bit, but let's get into product finding first. So the products that you're gonna run mostly should be having something special as well as be in the Nutra category. Should have a unique selling point. If it's just a normal nail paint, the probability of it working is less. If it's just a normal lip balm, the probability of it working is less again. And if it's just a normal maybe perfume, the probability of it working is less. But if it has something special ingredient or is angled in a special way, then the probability of it working is great, right? So उस type के products को find करना है जिसपे unique selling point हो, USP, unique selling propositions हो. For example, I saw a product which was a perfume, and when you use it, the opposite gender gets attracted more because it has some pheromone in it. Stuffs like that can be manufactured in India, has a unique selling point, so it's sold pretty well. Or maybe a chocolate which helps increase your sexual drive. Now again, this is more of a higher regulatory product, that is the regulation is higher, but stuffs like that work great as well. Products like Silajit, बहुत सारे brands तुमने देखे होंगे, like Himalayan, Kapiva, Silajit, etc., etc. These are Nutra done extremely well. So gradually, as you get better, you can even go to that level probably. But when you do it in a smaller scale, 10 lakh amount can be easily cleared. Okay, so stuffs like that. वो उसमें कुछ scientific discovery and clinical records वगैरह दिखा के Kapiva, Silajit work really well, right? So these are the kind of products that you need to find. TikTok पे, Instagram पे. And if you're going on Instagram, set your Instagram so that Instagram algorithm feeds you more and more of such product. जैसे एक female का Instagram होता है where they'll get a lot of beauty products, ads and suggestions in the reel. वैसे एक Instagram बना के रखो and just scroll it as if you're a female. Just go for beauty products, Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Jenner को follow करो and you'll get more such products. So that is how you find a product. उसके बाद it's going to be creating website. Don't take a lot of time in it. एक normal main general store बनाओ beauty related and उस पे products add करते जाओ. प्रोडक्ट पेज को मेक इट गुड, उस पे द इमेजेस शुड बी गुड, एंड इमेजेस पे जो भी डिटेल्स है उसको भी इमेजेस पे डालो, बिकॉज इन इंडिया पीपल डोंट रीड डिस्क्रिप्शन दैट मच, दे जस्ट स्लाइड ओवर द इमेज. So whatever the description, how to use, why it works, benefits, guarantees, etc. भी email slide पे Canva के through editing करके डाल दो. That's why having a VA who does the product is very important. And with the help of ChatGPT and VA, fast product a day just takes 2 hours. For me, it takes even less because we have extremely well-defined system at our place right now. So what you're going to do is have why it works, benefits, before, after, what is included. Just like an Amazon website, you need to just make sure these things are included over there. जो भी questions हो, फिर reviews and FAQs भी डाल देना, and a chat option where the customer can directly chat with a customer agent of yours. इससे trust as well as delivery rate बढ़ता है. So just have one person pay them virtual assistant fee, and you'll have a virtual assistant chatting with your customer every single day. Uske baad we'll go to the next step, which is going to be running ads. So for that, you need an agency account, and all you're going to do is just run one CBO per product for the testing phase. 1,000 rupees का budget रखो उस पे, one CBO with 3 ad sets, 2 में interest, 1 broad, and if it's a female oriented product, only female. If it's a male oriented product, only male. If it's both, then both. Okay, what are you going to do? 2 में interest, similar to it. If it's a शिलाजीत प्रोडक्ट, देन मे बी एक में मैं बहुत सारे जिम रिलेटेड डालूंगा, एंड दूसरे में मे बी आई विल ऐड मोर अबाउट वेलनेस, हेल्थ, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, एंड एक ब्रॉड छोड़ दूंगा. इफ इट्स अ परफ्यूम, देन मे बी नाइट क्लब्स, पार्टीज, कॉन्सर्ट्स एक होगा, दूसरा होगा मोर ऑफ अ ब्रॉड, एंड तीसरा होगा मे बी रिलेशनशिप, लव, personal hygiene, etc. more. So you get what I'm trying to say. These are very basic stuff. You can get it anywhere online about how to add interest for your ads, etc. So वो देख लेना CBO, and 3 ads, just rip off the content that you get. 3 best performing videos that you find with the most amount of likes and most amount of details. तो उस 3 को रखना सारे ad set में same, and do it for all the 5 products that you found, and launch it at 6, 7, 8 a.m. the next day. Not immediately, but for the next day. So once that is done, you'll have 3 categories of product. जिस पे 10 ROAS या उससे ऊपर आ रहा है, these are great products. It's very hard to find these kind of products, especially in day one. है ना? But if it's great, then start sourcing the product immediately. If it's good, let it run for the same budget, or maybe increase if it's like 7, 8 ROAS. But generally don't increase if you're just starting out and don't want to take much risk. If it's bad, let it run for one more day, क्योंकि most of the products bad category में fall करेंगे, but after a day it will start gradually getting 6, 7 ROAS, some of it. So day 2 पे अगर great ही रहता है, good maybe great में चले जाता है, या bad में चले जाता है, या good में ही रहता है, then just let them run. Bad अगर good में चले जाता है, let them run. Bad अगर bad रहता है, then just cut it off after 2 days, 48 hours के बाद just switch it off. Now instead of going and directly manufacturing the product, here is a hack to know your delivery rate. So what I've done is I've checked my data and past probabilities, and what I have concluded is whenever a product is there and I call the customers, and if 70% of them is confirming that हाँ ठीक है मुझे order लेना है, then maybe 80% उनके 75 to 80% ले लेते हैं जो confirm करते हैं. तो सपोज मेरा 100 ऑर्डर्स है एंड बस 70 लोग कंफर्म करते हैं, 30 ने सीधा कैंसिल या उठाया ही नहीं, तो उन 30 को मैं भेजूंगा नहीं अभी के लिए, एंड जो 70 है उसमें से 80, तो उसको अगर तुम लोगे तो अराउंड 56 57 ऑर्डर्स आएंगे, तो दैट इज 100 में से 57 डिलीवर हो रहा है. सो 57% इज जनरली माई डिलीवरी रेट. तो ऐसे मैं डायरेक्टली चेक करता हूँ. इट्स अ क्विक हैक, नॉट एक्यूरेट, बट has a pretty good accuracy and win rate for me, so I use that to see how much my delivery rate can go before I even get it manufactured. Suppose मैंने 100 को कॉल किया and only 30 confirms, then 30% delivery rate है, मैं उसको manufacture ही नहीं करूँगा. You save a lot of time and money just using different probabilities and statistics. So that's why understanding math is very important if you want to become a better entrepreneur and a businessman, especially in e-commerce field. Okay, ये हो गया. And once the product is tested with ROAS as well as the delivery rate that I checked is pretty fine. कुछ products होगा that you would want to test, delivery नहीं आता, take risks at your own, take the risks at your own cost or whatever, right? So उसके बाद manufacturing. Manufacturing के लिए you have 3 options. One, first is just directly going to इंडिया मार्ट एंड कॉन्टैक्टिंग सप्लायर्स ओवर देयर. अब इसमें एक चीज़ है जो बहुत ही बेसिक कॉमन सेंस की बात है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट डूइंग इट. सो इफ यू सी अ प्रोडक्ट इन टिकटॉक विच इज अ हेयर ग्रोथ मैजिक ऑयल, इफ द नेम इज दैट, उसको डायरेक्ट जाके इंडिया मार्ट पे सर्च मत करना, चेक कि उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है. इफ इट्स आलमंड ऑयल या फिर ऑलिव ऑयल, जो भी ऑयल है, जस्ट उसको इंडिया मार्ट पे सर्च करना एंड जो भी एमएल या समथिंग लिखा है वो एज अ कोटेशन देना. सो एक डॉग बना लेना अगर प्रोडक्ट का है तो ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, इतने एमएल का चाहिए मुझे एंड अंडर इतने रुपीज चाहिए. तो इंडिया मार्ट पे जाके जस्ट मैसेज योर सप्लायर्स एंड वो कुछ खुद ब खुद कॉल करेंगे, कुछ कुछ को तुम खुद कॉल करना. इसीलिए इसके लिए भी आई हैव माई वेयर हाउस मैनेजर हु डज ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ. लेटर ऑन यू कैन आउटसोर्स इट, अभी के लिए यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ. उनको कॉल करना, कोटेशन वो कितना देते हैं, मे बी सस्ता भी दे सकते हैं, मे बी महंगा भी दे सकते हैं. सो मैसेज अराउंड 20 people and you'll find at least 1-2 suppliers, maybe even more than that, who can do it for far cheaper price than what you expected generally. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Second step is have an agent जो agent directly करे. You can either have a warehouse manager or an agent as well. Agent होगा then they'll do the whole thing yourself. You just send them the product page, सब कुछ निकाल के तुम्हें best rates में देंगे and थोड़ा सा markup वो अपने लिए रख लेंगे. So that is also there. And the third thing is you can go to the markets yourself. Sadar Bazaar, industrial areas, idhar udhar jaake you can directly contact them as well. Third is more leverage one and not that smart ways, but sometimes you can find really good industrial owners or industries whom you are going to connect well with. Now here is something that you need to understand. If you're getting 100 order per day, generally don't order 3,000 or 5,000 stocks at first. अराउंड 7 days का जितना रख के चलो. अगर तुम्हें 100 ऑर्डर आ रहा है देन 700 जितना ऑर्डर करो, क्योंकि अगेन हियर प्रोबेबिलिटी, इफ यू डोंट चेंज योर एड बजट और डू एनी चेंजेस इन योर स्टोर और इन द एड्स इटसेल्फ, एक प्रोडक्ट सेम कंसिस्टेंट रोएस एज वेल एज सेम डिलीवरी पे अराउंड अ वीक जितना 90% टाइम्स चलता है. सो योर डिलीवरी रेट एंड रोएस रिमेनिंग द सेम रिमेन्स 90% एक्यूरेट. सो एक हफ्ते जितने का लेके तुम रख सकते हो, इतना रिस्की नहीं है उसके लिए, बट उससे ज़्यादा मत करना बिकॉज उसके बाद जनरली चेंजेस आने लग जाते हैं एंड इफ यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू टेक रिस्क, डोंट डू इट. सो नो द मैथ्स अगेन एंड यूज इट इन योर फेवर ऑल द टाइम. नाउ हियर इज अनदर थिंग व्हिच आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एज वेल. जब तुम ऑर्डर्स दोगे उसको मैन्युफैक्चरर को, इफ इट्स आलमंड ऑयल कंपनी, देन for them manufacturing almond oil with certain ingredients that you mentioned are going to be easy. कुछ ingredients उनके पास नहीं होगा, so उसको mention कर देना अपने website पे again. And जो होगा they'll manufacture it. Just tell them कि मुझे blank packaging में चाहिए, I don't need a special packaging. क्योंकि special packaging में they'll take around a week or maybe even 10 to 15 days to just manufacture that. But if you say I don't need any special packaging, they'll do it फास्ट themselves. एंड उसके बाद what you're going to do is, जो तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट इमेज है या फिर जो प्रोडक्ट का बाहर का जो पैकेजिंग है उसको तुम कैनवा पे बनाओ एंड उसका स्टिकर्स निकलवाओ. यू कैन फाइंड स्टिकर्स मेकर इन इंडिया मार्ट इज वेल एंड उनको स्टिकर्स दे दो. सो द वंस द स्टिकर कम्स यू जस्ट हैव टू पेस्ट इट इन योर प्रोडक्ट एंड this will save time. Later on you can do special packaging if the product is very if it's an obvious trainer, then you can of course get the special packaging. But while testing, it's just 100 products, जिसमें 50 delivered होता है, so this will not create any issue. Stickers लगा के you just paste it and packaging करके you'll just send it. So this will make sure कि उनके पास जो है they'll just package it under certain bottles which they already have and they'll just ship it to you. Shipping के लिए maybe 2 days जितना लग जाता है, but if you live in like the industrial area like Delhi, Gujarat, Mumbai, Bangalore, etc., then it's going to be even easier. It's going to come faster, right? So once that is done, once the product is shipped, you'll ship it via Blue Dart, which is going to take 2 to 3 days max for maximum amount of your order. So you'll know your delivery rate exactly, है ना? So testing करने वाला product भी you'll be able to ship and delivered it within 5 days max most of the time. उसके बाद it will become even faster because you already have stock. आते ही you can ship it the same day or the next day as well. Now the next thing is once you know your actual delivery, then you will start evaluating कि अच्छा मेरा break even actual ROAS क्या है अब. You know अच्छा 56 नहीं, मेरा delivery around 53 है. So average out करके तुम 50 to 56 लेके चल सकते हो, है ना? हमेशा 10% का डिविएशन लेना, क्योंकि कभी एवरेज नहीं आता, डिविएशन में ही होता है, तो डिविएशन का लेके चलना। सो 50 to 55 ले लिया तो तुम्हारा ब्रेक इवन रोएस तुम देखो कितना हो सकता है। सो वंस यू नो योर ब्रेक इवन रोएस, उसको उतने तक तुम स्केल कर सकते हो। कीप स्केलिंग, and here we're focusing more on consistency and longevity instead of एक दिन पे you're scaling the product. So you don't have to worry about getting a lot of orders. You just have to make sure कि 50-60 orders or maybe 100 जितना आ सकता है एक प्रोडक्ट से उतना आता रहे, and your main goal is to keep testing product and stacking the products. When I was running this strategy in the peak time, I was getting around 3,000 orders a day approx, and uh, it was going pretty good. So it's all about consistency and system. If you do it consistently, this thing always works, because you don't need a winner, clear winner ki हाँ ये चलेगा चलेगा. I'm gonna get like 50,000 orders from this product itself. You don't need that. You just need products किसी किसी के just 300 निकल रहे, maybe weekly, किसी किसी के 1,000, किसी किसी के 100. You just need to consistently add them, and किसी किसी products you're making 10,000, 15,000 product, किसी किसी से 20,000, and किसी किसी से even more. So you just need to stack these kind of products multiple times. At the end of the day, एक बस system है, it's not a strategy. And for the system to work, you need consistency. Consistently वो घूमना चाहिए, तब जाके result आएगा. Starting पे you don't have to waste a lot of money in one single product. धीरे धीरे start करो, build it up, and all the docs are in my Discord. अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ question है, then you can come and ask. I have made a scaling strategy, how I scaled a product to 75 lakhs a day with bid caps in India, because bahar ke bid caps, cost caps strategy India se completely different hai. So I made it. Join my Discord and you can access that as well. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you very much.